What is good, guys? Welcome back to a new video, man. Hope you guys are doing good. In today's video we are going to do some R brakes because my brother bought some and he's gonna change them on his car, so I'm gonna get a little bit of content from his car, you feel me? But he tells me it's easy. I've never done brakes before, so he's like, oh, it's only like 10 minutes, man. It should be quick. So we're gonna see. Hopefully we don't, hopefully we don't freaking run into some bumps, because you know me working on cars is always stop, do like 10,000 other things, and then you finish. So you know me, man. I'm always messing stuff up. But hey, let's get to this video. Look at the sticker, the Clean Culture sticker I was talking about. That don't look clean. Look how glistening it is. Ooh, look at that. Damn, it's just shining. Huh? Right? A little more to the right. Yeah, a little bit more space. But the brakes are in here. My bike. But here go the brakes. Some big old Oompa Loompas compared to the ones that we got. So let's see if we can get these out today. So guys, these are the brakes. As you see, these are the rotors. See, all you have to do is take this little bolt out, and then there's two bolts behind this, and then that's it. So, and then put the dust shield on. So there's those two, one bolt here, one bolt down there. There's the brake line, and then you see this little thing. That's how you basically take off the rotor. I'm guessing this holds it in place, and then the brake should just come off, and the rotor. So see how this goes, guys. Okay, so we got the first bolt off, and before you even try, get some PB Blaster or some WD-40 and hit it. Huh?
You already got the bottom with it?
Nah. And bro, make sure you get something like this, some big drill or something, cause bro, this junk is tight, man. I'm telling you that right now. Man, this just ain't even supposed to be working on his car, yo. This man's back is all messed up.
Hey.
That's why he had me do it. This man over here already sitting down, working on it. What? Bro, we gotta get the brake, the hose off.
Yeah. Before
you even take. You gotta get this off though, but how? The hose loose. I forgot that the brakes over there already come with the hose. That's why I was asking him about that. So my mistake, guys. But I'm just waiting to see if all that brake fluid comes out though.
It is.
It is.
Hold on, let me see that. Let me see. Is this shit like this?
What?
You look at this shit right here.
It is right there. Hold on.
Is it the same way, like it bolts on like that?
Yeah.
For real?
Look,
let me see.
Wait, hold on. It might be better. What?
No, shit different. Wait.
Is it different?
Yeah, this one's like
Oh yeah. This one is different. This one's screwed on. This one is just like, it's like freaking, what's it called? It's like pushed on and then like clamped. But does that really matter though?
I don't know. To be honest.
You think it's just gonna fly everywhere? Hey, I'm scared of my phone.
That's it.
It's out?
Hey.
Oh, look at it. It's gushing. Oh, it's out.
Oh.
Wow.
Easiest? That's it.
Man, I thought it was gonna fly everywhere. Whoa. Got it. Damn, boy, your hair's everywhere. Whoa, we got it out basically.
Hey, take this shit out.
So now we gotta get the brake out. Well, the brake's already off.
That's it.
So
you get that hose out and get the brake. You got the brake out. You gotta get this dumb line out.
Oh, there you
go. Ooh, that's it.
Little baby.
All right, now we just gotta see this little screw right here.
Oh yeah, guys, get that out.
Get that little screw. Now we'll take the rotor off, and then yeah, we got the dust shield too. There should be like 3 bolts in the back to get the dust shield out.
That's it.
Hey, say that screw. That little screw, bro, that's valuable.
But the thing
All right, that's it. Just pull the rotor out.
But look, guys, on my car in the back, all these bolts in here, they're all freaking messed up, because back then when I put spacers in my car, I didn't put the right bolts or the right length of the bolts, and it stripped it. So for me, it's gonna be good because I'm gonna figure it out how to take this whole thing off, because I really don't know. So find out. Oh snap.
Oh, that's it right there.
Oh,
You gotta change that hub right there, boy.
This is
How do you get that out?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Let's see.
Oh, wait. You gotta take
no.
this bolt off.
Oh, maybe that could come out. Damn, but that's a CV joint, boy. I don't know. You can probably Google that, bro. But that's what you got to that little piece is what you need, boy.
I need this piece right here, cause bro, all these threads are stripped. Yo.
Strip. Alright, this is the dust shield. It's just these 3 bolts. There are bigger brakes, so it won't really work with this dust shield.
Okay. That thing is still leaking, bro. You might have to put some.
Oh, it's still leaking brake fluid?
Where's the other one at?
Down here. Damn, that thing leaking.
Oh, snap. What about this thing?
Let's put in the motor in. Damn, big brake, boy.
Big rotors.
Big rotor. There you go. Now you spin it right there. Perfect. Here, let me see. Put the screw. I'll screw it.
I honestly thought it was gonna be harder.
That's it. Let me get a little touch. You know,
Yeah, that shit look stripped it.
forget it.
Well, so guys, we're kind of killed now because this popped out of the thing, that's the little hole that's in there that's pressurized in. So we don't have the tool to push this back in. So now my brother had to go to AutoZone and get the tool for this so we could push that in and get it on. So I always mess things up. So basically I was trying to open this more so I could get it onto the rotor, and then I guess it just popped out, yo. It's literally just like bling. I was like, fuck. So my brother's going to AutoZone right now, but the thing is, I think it was loose because when it was, you know, moving around when it was being delivered, I guess it kind of popped out already. Because the other one's on there, yo. Look at that. This one is gonna be so easy to put on. You just perfect. But this one was kind of already loose, so we're gonna go get that tool and just pop it right back in. Guys, so we finally got the shit in. We gotta get the presser to press the fucking brake back into the thing. Now we're just putting everything back. Fucking brake fluid is everywhere.
Yo, we really messed up, bro. I think. Yo.
Bro, there was a little bottle that I put in this man over here. Just ding! Everywhere over the floor, yo. So, yeah, guys. So we're basically putting everything back. Hey, put these. We've completed the brakes. But we have to do the other one another day because I gotta go do things. He has to go do things. So I'll probably either continue this video or this might be the end. I don't really know, but the brakes wasn't that bad.
No.
If this thing didn't pop out, then bro.
Hey, where's the other one?
Here. If that thing didn't pop out, bro, we'd have been done with the other side already. But yeah, guys, freaking art brakes. Hey guys, this is the next morning. We gotta continue these brakes because man, he's his car. So you guys basically seeing what we did. So I'm just gonna do a little time lapse. You feel me? But then after, I'm gonna see how these brakes are because. These things are good, man. I'm about to cop me some art brakes. Alright guys, so the brakes are in. So now we just gotta we gotta bleed the brakes. But this man had to go to the store because the guy that he bought it from got the brake fluid. So, alright guys, so it's the next day, and last night we bled the brakes. It was kind of late, so I didn't record it. I forgot to, honestly, because there's a little situation. But we bled the brakes yesterday, and they're good. These things break like a mom. So, I'm about to show you guys how these things break. So, yeah, things are insane, yo. Man, I'm so shaky right now. I'm coming back from work. But this shit, we work together, so yeah guys, I'm gonna show you guys how these things break, man. These things are insane, yo, compared to the stock ones, man. So we're about to test the brakes right now. Man, about to catch some speed. We're gonna see how quick this man stops.
Ready?
Hey bro, I'm almost flew forward the fucking seat.
I was gonna go through that windshield.
Hey, come here, my bro. Hey, they got the R brakes. He think he's cool now, bro. This shit stopping fast. Oh my gosh, bro. Chill out, bro. You about to break my neck. Alright guys, so that's the vid, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.